Good morning. This is my model on the topic types of motion. As we all know that there are certain types of the motion, that is oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, rotatory motion or rotational motion, and circular motion, and last one is rectilinear motion. Now we will discuss about these topics one by one. First of all, we will concentrate about the topic oscillation motion. Oscillation motion is that motion in which an object moves to and fro. That is, when this wing is lying at the stationary position or rest position, and when we will take it something back and release it, it will start moving to and fro motion. So this is referred to as oscillatory motion. In this, the oscillations are produced. Next one is vibratory motion. In the vibratory motion, there is a rapid to and fro, as we will stretch the rubber, and if we release it, then it will start vibrating very rapidly. In this, if you clearly hear, the sound is produced. There is a certain difference between the oscillatory motion and the vibratory motion. As there is in vibratory motion, sound is produced, and along with this there is a high frequency of the vibration, and in this the oscillations frequency is less. And next, move ahead to the rotatory motion. In the rotatory motion, an object rotates about the central point or around the axis. As you can see here, there is a pin, and if we move it, then it will start moving around the axis very easily. So this is referred to as rotatory motion. As we are very familiar with our example, that is Earth rotates on its axis, which leads to the formation of day and night. So it is also an example of rotatory motion. And next one is circular motion. In the circular motion, the point, if we start moving it, as here the point is lying here, and when we start to rotate, then you can see the point move in the circular direction. So this is known to be as rotatory motion. In this, the circular path is traveled by the point, or you can say when we point certain point on the fan's blade, it will start moving in the circular motion. And the last one is rectilinear motion. In the rectilinear motion, the object is said to be moving in the straight line. As you can see here, the car is moving in the straight path. So this is known to be as rectilinear motion, or you can say the linear motion. So this is my model. Thank you very much.